This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the right turn from Ashburton to Newton Abbot, which is the 4th exit. There are no signs for the roundabout on the dual carriageway, but if you're following the sat-nav, then you will know already that you'll be turning right at the roundabout. So we'll assume that we need the right-hand lane, but we'll look for further information as we exit the dual carriageway. So we're coming off into the right-hand lane. There is a sign on the left that tells you Newton Abbot is the 4th exit to the right, and the road markings confirm that the right-hand lane is correct. There are traffic lights ahead which we need to obey. As we come around the roundabout, watch out for the yellow boxes. We need to keep those clear. So just because the traffic light is green doesn't mean that you can go. There's no yellow box visible here, so when the traffic light is green we should be able to proceed. Remember, we're taking the 4th exit. We're going to count the exits as we go round the roundabout. So we're moving off now, it's green, continuing in the right hand lane, passing the 1st exit. Road marking says a right arrow, passing the 2nd exit, continuing the right hand lane for Newton Abbot. The left hand lane only goes to Exeter, which is your 3rd exit. So after that exit we will be in the left hand lane. Remember to check particularly on your left side for any vehicles that may be coming up there. So positioning into the left hand lane, that will allow us to take the exit. We must continue in the left hand lane on the exit road. Make sure we can get safely across this yellow box. Continuing in the left hand lane with a mirror check as we go round. The lane on our right could also be used to take the exit, and that now merges in. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?